Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia, and please take a second to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Now, for today's video, as you guys can see from the title, we will be revisiting some products that I used in my last video in a different way, because clearly the way I used them in the last video did not work for me and I did not like the way my results turned out. But I am somebody who likes to find multi-functions for products. Just because they don't work well together for me doesn't mean I'm gonna completely cancel them out. I do wanna test them out in other ways just so I don't waste product. So these results that you see right here are the results of the concoction that I used in this video. So stay tuned to watch what I used. But I'm really happy with the results. I'm also gonna be posting the day 2 and 3 updates in the next few days. So definitely stay tuned to the end to see how this wash and go holds up. So this is right now, so far, day 1 hair. I'm excited to see how this progresses over the course of the next few days. I have not fluffed it out, I haven't done anything to it. I kind of just let it dry and just rocked with it. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I used, what I did, how I used it, keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with the Twist 2-in-1 primer. This is just gonna be added to the perimeter of my hair as I typically do. I am adding a generous amount to the perimeter because I'm not thinking about adding more to the sections. So I'm gonna make sure that all of my hair is saturated just from the perimeter. I'm gonna brush it through and then we're gonna divide our hair into sections. Next up, we are going back in with the Wetline Extreme Gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair into smaller sections and just rake in the Wetline Extreme Gel, just like I typically do when I style my hair with this gel. I'm gonna repeat the same thing throughout the rest of my hair. I rake it in, then brush it through just to clump the curls. And excuse me while I have a mini dance party with myself. I know I'm not the only person that does this. Okay guys, so my hair is fully styled now and these wet results look very promising. Look at this shine, this definition. And I'm definitely a fan so far. So on my previous video, you guys saw that I was really obsessed with the 2-in-1 conditioner and primer. And I was like, you know what, I have to give it a shot with probably one of my favorite gels, you guys already know. So I was like, you know what, let's see if they mix well together, and if they do, we're gonna test it out. And that's exactly what happened. So I'm hoping that this is a way that I can use this product. I did test out the deep conditioner in today, but I didn't actually film it. It's not the best, it's not that soft, so I could definitely do a Mask Monday about it so I can give you guys more detail about why I feel like it's just okay. But all in all, the two products mixed really well together. I didn't actually separate my hair and add the primer on top. I just did the perimeter and brushed it through, and it seemed like it evenly distributed perfectly, so I didn't feel like I had to go back in with the primer, which is a good sign. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this dries. Like, hello, look at this definition. Typically when my hair looks like this, it's pretty promising and almost guarantee that we'll have good results, but let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair and I'll show you guys my hair once it's dry. Okay guys, so my hair is fully diffused and look at these results. Look at them. I have not fluffed them out whatsoever. I kind of just wanna let them do their thing, but I knew that that product would work amazing with a really good gel. And I was super right, because look at this definition. Do you guys see this? This is the type of results that I'm looking for from a wash and go. You know, when I get the fluffy, I'm okay with fluff as long as there's holds. And when there's lack of holds, I'm just like, that creates room for frizz. So we love these results. I'm definitely happy, definitely satisfied. I personally thought I was gonna get a little bit of frizz, but I'm actually very impressed with how my hair turned out. Let me show you guys from the back. So as I said in the last video, I still stand by this. The primer is definitely one of the Twist products you definitely should purchase. Not only is it an amazing detangler, but clearly it serves as an amazing leave-in slash styler, and you can mix it in with the Wetland Extreme Gel. So definitely recommend. I'm happy that I decided to try those two together to see how it worked. I do also have the styling cream that I think I'm also going to revisit. It's the thick product that I used in the previous video. I do also want to try that with a heavy gel to see if it's something that could work. But again, I will keep you guys posted on that. But this is definitely a 10 out of 10, a wash and go. I will pop in to show you guys what my hair looks like. I'm probably going to give it about 3 days because I have a lot of work I got to do. But yeah, so I'll keep popping in to let you guys know how these curls turn out. But all in all, we love to see it. We love them so far. So yeah, 10 out of 10 so far. So let's see how it looks on day 2. Okay guys, so this is the day 3 update. Curls are holding up really nicely. What I'm finding out is that this wash and go definitely gave me a lot more shrinkage than I'm used to. And I feel like every day it gets shorter and shorter. But I don't mind it because my curls actually look really good. I do have a little frizz, and that's of course in the front areas because I have been working out. That's all normal for me. So that's out of my control. I could go ahead and just like refresh these areas, but since I'm home and I'm just chilling, I'm not gonna do all that. But these are what my curls look like after 3 days. You could see the moisture, you could see all this definition. It looks and feels so soft. Love it. I did end up using an oil, which I can't share with you guys yet, but I will be dropping all the tea and spilling all the tea in a few days. But I've been testing out this oil for a brand that I've really been liking, and I find that it's just the perfect amount of, you know when there's an oil that's too thick and it starts to like weigh down your hair? And I know it's rare for my hair to be weighed down, but sometimes it just feels so heavy that it feels like a film on your hair. This one's very lightweight and adds a lot of shine. So granted, the products that I did use did add a lot of shine to my hair, but I really like the oil. So I can't wait to share with you guys where this oil is from because I really like it. I know there's a lot of people that have this thing against oils. I think because I've had people ask me what my thoughts on oils for our hair is, and I think honestly, if it works for you, cool. If it doesn't, that's fine too. You know what works best for your hair, right? You put it in your hair. If it feels nice and it feels soft, then keep using it. But if you're putting it in your hair and you feel like it's not doing anything and it's just sitting on your hair, then stop using it, you know? But if you want to use it regardless, you do what works best for you. I was gonna pop in on day 2, but my day got really hectic. So I'm just like, you know what? The later the days, the better, because my hair didn't look much different from day 1 on day 2, but we're on day 3 right now. And we're loving it. Let me show you guys the back. Super fluffy. There are some frizz in certain areas, but again, that comes with working out. If I had some type of control over it, that'd be nice. But honestly, like, what are you gonna do? So if it's in the front, I'll just tuck it behind my ear, and that way you really can't see it. But this looks really good so far. Like, I'm definitely very impressed. I knew it was gonna be a good wash and go, but it's doing really well. So tomorrow, I do wanna post this video on Monday. So tomorrow will be day 4. I could pop in on day 4, possibly on day 5, and like film it in the morning, but I'm not sure. I might film tomorrow for another brand, so you know, I may have to watch it on day 4. But I mean, if this is what it's looking like on day 3, unless I like freaking jump in the rain or like jump in a pool, I don't see this being much different tomorrow, but I will check in and let you guys know what my thoughts are. Okay guys, this is our day 4 update, straight out of the bonnet. And I want to say this is a pretty successful wash and go, being that I haven't even refreshed like the small parts of the front that normally get frizzy, but overall, do you guys see this? It's super soft, again, still super moisturized. Why is my camera so low? Hold on 1 second. So yeah, like I was saying, definition is still there, moisture is still there. I could definitely refresh it. Yeah, these are the front areas I'm talking about. Like this area gets so frizzy because of the sweat, but other than that, like, I think it's looking pretty good. So safe to say, I will definitely recommend this wash and go, and I definitely will use that product again for another wash and go, but yeah, this is the last day of the update. I don't think I'm gonna update you guys tomorrow because the video is gonna go live tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's all for today's video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Let me know how you guys think this wash and go looks. I think it looks really good. Let me show you guys the back. But yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss another video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.